Hi, I'm Samantha.
And I'm Ryan, and this is our insulin glucose connection project.
Did you know glucose can be found in carbohydrates, lipids, and protein? Some of these foods would be bread, salad dressing, and meat. Glucose is absorbed into the small intestine, which enters the bloodstream. Insulin is produced in the pancreas. Insulin is a hormone protein produced in the pancreas to make glucose. Glucose is released from the beta cells in your pancreas in response to rising glucose in your bloodstream.
Intracellular vessels are small sacs that transport materials. A vessel is a small structure within a cell consisting of fluid enclosed by a lipid bilayer. GLUT4 is stored in an intracellular vessel inside the cell. GLUT4 rises to the surface of the cell because when insulin and the insulin receptors bind together, it causes GLUT4 to rise. Once the GLUT4 is inside the cell, it is phosphorylated and therefore trapped in the cell. Insulin does enter the cell and acts like a key, unlocking doorways, letting glucose in. With type 1 diabetics, no insulin is produced in the pancreas, so blood sugar levels are not maintained. One theory about type 2 diabetes is that adults are producing antibodies for insulin. Another theory about type 2 diabetes is the more obese you are, the higher your chances of getting it.
Okay, so we're just going to explain some of our parts on our project. So this right here is our cell, and this is the inside. The red stands for the blood, and this is the glucose. So this is our insulin receptor, and this counts as our cell wall, and this is our GLUT transport proteins 4. So now we're going to show you how insulin, when someone is going through a diabetic shock. So we have a hole up here to show you, and we have Sprite to prove it counts as insulin. So as the Sprite, which is sugar, comes to the cell, and then the insulin has your GLUT4, and then your insulin makes glucose.